Old school wrestling? Boss lady? I don't know who you think you are. Forcing us to defend these belts?
Ain't happening. Don't happen.
I guess I has been and it never was in Chick Donovan and Cowboy Bill.
Ooh. And then you got that crooked referee. You know what I'm talking about. That special guest referee. Whoa, traffic.
Everybody in Barnesville's special.
Oh, come on, man. You know that's right.
So now, you stack the deck a little bit higher against us when you bring Tommy Wildfire Rich in as the referee?
Man pulled my hair. What kind of referee pulls hair?
What kind of referee puts his hands on the competitors? But it didn't matter.
We got the goal. Oh, hands on the wheel. Both hands on the wheel.
I'm
10
sorry.
and 2. I'm sorry.
10 and 2.
I got it. Don't worry. We're going to make the next title defense.
But Tommy Rich, you keep going around poking and prodding the PS players.
Morgan Davis III.
And pump your brakes.
Stomp a mud hole up in that butt. That old butt.
We'll beat you so bad the only wildfire going on you is going to be icy hot.
Slump Buster.